Yes, sir.
Okay. See what we have seen in case of ST, demand charges were on kVA basis, but in this particular case, for LT consumers which are having load above 20 kilowatt and up to 40 kilowatt, this is non-residential commercial tariff. So instead of kVA, they are considering kilowatt for LT consumers. Okay. So these charges are on the basis of kilowatt. These are energy charges. These are billing charges. Billing charges are more for LT consumers than ST consumers. Again, if the second category is if load is above 40 kilowatt, the charges are different. Demand charges are same, but energy charges are increased for such consumers. While billing charges are same. See what has happened. These LT consumers, I'll share with you. These LT consumers will be billed on the basis of power factor. If their lag and lead power factor is below zero point 0.9, they will be penalized, and if the power factor is above 0.95, they will be passed on the incentive. And whatever the three criteria which we have seen, 55% of the contract demand and actual maximum demand, or 75% of the demand in last 11 months. For LT consumers, it is like that. It will be 40. It will be 40% of the contract demand or 65% of the actual demand, whichever is the maximum, will be considered as bill demand for this consumer. That is the only main difference. And see, these are the incentive. I was searching this only. These are the incentive. For 0.96, it is 0.5%, 97 1%, 98 1.5%, 99 2.5%, and for unity power factor, it is 3.5% incentive. And like that, there is a penalty calculation also. If the power factor below zero point 0.9 is has come to 0.89, it will start from 1%, and for every 1% drop, there will be penalty by 0.5% additional. That I was saying, 65% of the actual maximum demand. Again, these consumers are also given the facility that during 10 to morning 6, during that time slot, demand will not be considered for billing purpose. So it will be either 65% of actual maximum demand or 40% of the contract demand. So this is all about the tariff of LT consumers and ST consumers from the side. So I hope